In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to choose so your transactions land in the right place and are ready to review. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online company and that you've downloaded a bank file from your financial institution. QuickBooks works best with CSV, QBO, or OFX files. If you're using a CSV, check that your columns clearly show the date, description, and amount, and that dates and decimal separators match your region's format. This prevents errors and keeps your import clean. Begin on your QuickBooks dashboard and move your cursor to All Apps. This helps you access the broader set of tools and sections within QuickBooks. Next, hover over Accounting to reveal the options available in that area. From there, click Bank Transactions. This opens the Banking Center where you can see connected accounts, upload files, and later review or categorize what comes in. On the Bank Transactions page, look for a small drop-down arrow near the top of the screen. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal additional actions. Choose Upload from File. This option is perfect when your bank connection isn't available, you prefer manual control, or you're catching up historical activity. You'll be prompted to select what type of account you will upload. Choose the correct account type, like checking, savings, or credit card, and be sure it matches the actual account the file came from. Selecting the right type ensures your balances, categories, and reconciliation process stay accurate. Next, click Upload from this device. Your computer's file picker will open so you can locate and select your bank file. Take a moment to confirm you're importing the correct date range to avoid duplicates. If your bank export includes both money in and money out as a single amount column, confirm that withdrawals are negative and deposits are positive. If your file separates them into two columns, make sure those columns are clearly labeled. After choosing the file, QuickBooks will guide you through confirming the details and preparing the transactions for review. You'll be able to check the account you selected and then proceed to the For Review tab to categorize, add, or match entries to existing records. If anything looks off, you can back up, adjust your file, and try again. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your imports in smaller date ranges for faster processing, verify the currency matches your company settings, and plan to reconcile once your transactions are reviewed. That's it. Your bank data is now successfully on its way into QuickBooks Online.